The EasyClean ground oval grease separator from Kessel, the space-saving solution for underground installation. Installing a grease separator in the ground offers many additional advantages. No useful space in the basement is lost. Instead, the entire system disappears under an odor-tight cover outside the building. The separator remains easily accessible for maintenance and inspection. EasyClean ground oval grease separator. Available in the versions EasyClean ground oval standard and EasyClean ground oval direct. Simply remove chamber cover to dispose of grease and sludge, as in the standard version. You can then insert the suction hose from the disposal vehicle. The EasyClean ground oval direct is the best choice in areas where odors have to be avoided. The disposal hose is connected directly to the disposal chamber, so that the separator cover no longer has to be opened and unpleasant smells can be avoided. The cross ribbing anchors the EasyClean ground oval firmly in the ground. This makes it resistant to uplift as a result of groundwater pressure. The ribs also increase the tank's stability under pressure. Simply clever. The new EasyClean ground oval has only one turret. This saves both time and money at the time of its purchase and installation. The vertically adjustable upper section allows easy adjustment to floor levels. Looking good. You only see one cover on the surface. Practical. Only one cover has to be opened for maintenance and cleaning. The EasyClean ground oval grease separator, the space-saving solution for underground installation.